Hey guys, this is the before video for that Lexus crease. There it is, there right above the corner of the molding. So it's kind of bulged on top. Looks like it got hit right below a brace where I'm pushing there, and it runs across. So we're looking at probably stretched metal. Can't really see how creased it is right now from this view until I get a light on it. So I'll probably go down through the window, through the brace, or around it. It's a little bit far, but it's doable. The other option is going through this hole, so I can just push that aside or pull it out and get a long tool, but this is really far to detail out something deep. And here it is after one glue pull and a light on it. You can really see how sharp and defined that crease is. So this is my setup. I've got my light on the bottom and I'm looking down with tools going down the window. And this is the result after a couple hours of pushing, tapping from every direction. There's a slight bulge there. It's right on the cusp of oil canning. So that's where the metal has lengthened so much it doesn't really fit into that same space anymore. That's because the impact was so hard that the metal actually yielded. And it doesn't help that this panel is HSS too, and it is heat treated or hardened. So the oil canning is even a bigger factor. So although small, some dents are really technical. There's a little bit of wiggles in the shape, but overall a really good result. Thank you for watching. Take care.